like a human, it runs like an athlete, and now it thinks faster than ever before. The newest version of Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot is not just a machine, it's a glimpse into the future, and for many, it's a little too real. People around the world are watching in shock as this robot performs tasks that were once impossible for machines. From complex movements to advanced decision-making, this robot is no longer just a science project. It's the real deal, and it's already walking among us. But is this innovation a major breakthrough in robotics, or a sign that we're heading into territory we might not be ready for? With lifelike agility, human-like gestures, and possibly more intelligence than ever before, the new Atlas raises serious questions about the future of technology, jobs, and even safety. What exactly can this machine do? Why does it feel so human? And should we be excited or worried? Who is Boston Dynamics? Boston Dynamics is a robotics company that started out as a spin-off from MIT in the early 1990s. Known for pushing the limits of robotic movement, the company became famous through viral videos of their robots doing jaw-dropping things, backflips, running on rough terrain, and even dancing. Over the years, they developed a series of robots like Big Dog, Spot, the robotic dog, and Handle. But their most famous creation by far is Atlas. Atlas is a humanoid robot that was originally built for search and rescue missions, capable of navigating through environments that are too dangerous for humans. But with each new version, Atlas has gotten smarter, faster, and far more lifelike. And now in 2025, Boston Dynamics has taken things to a whole new level with a robot that almost blurs the line between machine and man. The new Atlas, what's so different now? The 2025 version of Atlas is a complete redesign. Unlike its older hydraulic version, the new Atlas is fully electric. That means smoother, faster movements, with less noise and more efficiency. And the most shocking part? It's not just built to mimic human motion, it's built to exceed it. Atlas can now perform tasks that require agility, speed, and strength that even trained humans would struggle with. It can pick up heavy objects, twist and rotate its joints in ways we can't, and move across challenging terrain like stairs, rocks, and debris. The new design features a more compact body with advanced balance controls, allowing it to recover from slips or pushes in a way that looks eerily natural. Even more impressive, or terrifying depending on your perspective, is the fact that Atlas now uses advanced AI for real-time decision-making. It doesn't just follow pre-programmed instructions, it adapts. It analyzes its environment and chooses the best action in real time, much like a human would. Lifelike movement and athletic ability, one of the most unsettling things about the new Atlas is just how human its movements have become. It can run, jump, spin, crouch, and even perform parkour, all in a way that looks less robotic and more athletic. Boston Dynamics released a video of Atlas leaping across platforms, doing somersaults and smoothly transitioning between motions that would challenge even Olympic athletes. This level of movement is powered by powerful electric motors, custom actuators, and highly advanced software that constantly adjusts the robot's balance, momentum, and posture. Each joint moves with incredible precision, and the robot even shifts its weight like a real person when turning corners or landing a jump. What really sends chills down people's spines is that these movements look natural, too natural. When you see Atlas in action, it's easy to forget that it's a machine, and that's what has sparked both awe and fear across the internet. Advanced AI. It thinks fast, learns fast. What truly makes the new Atlas stand out is not just how it moves, but how it thinks. Earlier versions of the robot followed fixed instructions, like a machine just doing what it was told. But now, the latest Atlas is powered by advanced artificial intelligence. It uses special tools like cameras, LiDAR sensors, and fast data processors to see, understand, and react to its surroundings in real time. This means it doesn't need someone constantly telling it what to do. It figures things out on its own. Let's say something blocks its path. Atlas doesn't freeze or wait for help. Instead, it quickly studies the situation and finds a new way to move forward, all on its own. It can tell how heavy something is before lifting it. It knows if a floor is safe to walk on, and it can even understand hand signs or voice commands from people nearby. These smart abilities make Atlas more than just a strong robot, the learner that can adapt to the world around it almost like a person would. Because of this intelligence, Atlas could become a helpful teammate in many places, like warehouses, disaster zones, or even homes. It could carry tools, move heavy items, or support people in dangerous areas. But this also brings new concerns. If a robot can learn, decide, and act so much like a human, what happens when it makes a mistake, or worse, makes a decision we weren't ready for? The line between machine and mind is getting thinner, and that's both exciting and a little unsettling. This is in real life. So what can this new version of Atlas actually do? Boston Dynamics has already tested it in environments like warehouses and construction sites. It can carry tools, move boxes, operate machinery, and even interact with workers. With its human-like form, Atlas can fit into spaces and handle tools designed for people, something many robots can't do. In rescue missions, Atlas can go into dangerous areas like collapsed buildings or disaster zones where humans can't reach safely. Its ability to walk over rubble, climb over obstacles, and carry supplies could make it a critical player in saving lives. Companies are also exploring the use of Atlas in remote or hazardous locations, nuclear facilities, oil rigs, or deep tunnels, where human presence is risky. And with AI-driven learning, it won't just be taking orders, it'll be thinking ahead. The public reaction. The response to the new Atlas has been mixed. Millions have viewed Boston Dynamics demo videos with a mix of amazement and unease. Some people celebrate it as one of the greatest tech achievements of our time. Others warn that this kind of power and intelligence in a machine is a step too far. Online forums are filled with debates. Will Atlas make life better, or will it take away jobs? Can it be hacked? Could it be weaponized? These questions aren't science fiction anymore. They're real concerns. Even Elon Musk has warned about the dangers of AI and autonomous robots if left unchecked. And the more lifelike Atlas becomes, the more people feel that we're losing the clear boundary between man and machine. Some even say it gives them uncanny valley vibes, a sense of discomfort when something looks almost human but isn't. Ethical concerns and future risks. As Atlas gets smarter, faster, and more capable, people are starting to ask some serious ethical questions. Who's responsible if a robot like Atlas malfunctions or causes harm? What laws should control how these robots are used in public spaces? There are also concerns about privacy. If robots like Atlas start working in stores, airports, or even homes, how much data will they collect? And who gets access to that data? Another big issue is job replacement. Atlas can already do some physical tasks better than humans, so what happens when it starts replacing workers? While some believe it will create new kinds of jobs, others worry that automation at this level could wipe out millions of traditional roles. What's next for Atlas? Boston Dynamics hasn't revealed all of its plans, but it's clear that Atlas is just getting started. The robot is still being tested and improved, but the company says the goal is to create a fully capable AI-powered humanoid that can perform useful tasks in the real world. That means future versions might talk, recognize emotions, or even work independently in homes, hospitals, and public spaces. It's also likely that Atlas will become part of the growing robotics economy, where robots and humans work together or compete in every industry. Some experts say we could see robots like Atlas walking down the street or helping out in stores within 10 to 15 years. The only question is, will society be ready for them? Boston Dynamics' new app. Loss is a massive leap forward for robotics, but it's also a wake-up call. This isn't just a robot doing tricks. It's a machine that walks, thinks, and reacts in ways that are starting to feel a little too real. Is it the future of work, the next emergency responder, or the beginning of something we haven't fully understood yet? What do you think? Should we be excited about these kinds of robots, or should we be more cautious? Are they here to help, or could they someday go too far? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech updates. The future is here. Are you ready?